Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we're on the west side. That's right, on the west side of my town. We acquisitioned this through due diligence. We seen when they put it on the market. The realtor was getting ready to put it on the market. We went up to him and we asked him, hey, man, can we get this thing before you list it? And of course, the realtor was like, you know what, man, we can't just give it to you before we list it because we got to at least put it on the market and see what we're going to get, highest and best offer. All right. But they put it on the market. All right. And then it came back to us. Why do I think it came back to us? Well, I pretty much know. Some houses or some duplexes, they can't get financing because they can't pass a 4-point inspection. So in my case, we're using cash money, hard money, private money, whatever you want to call it. So we don't need bank financing. We don't need that, all right? Because we're gonna come in and make it look absolutely beautiful, rehab it, put it back on the market. We're gonna rent it now. We're not gonna sell it, and make it look beautiful because this is my neighborhood. This is where I grew up at. 6 houses in this area. One of them we did sell, so we got 5 now. So the first thing we did, we talked to the realtor. The realtor said, hey man, I'm gonna list it. He listed it. 2 or 3 people looked at the house. They couldn't get the house. Then he came back to us because I stayed in touch with him. I kept calling him, texting him, say, hey man, if they can't buy it, they can't get bank financing. You know I got cash on deck. Right here, what you're looking at right here used to be a duplex. Right here used to be a duplex a while ago. All right? We're gonna take this and we're gonna get it out of there. We're gonna knock it down because it's already peeling anyway. All right, we're gonna put a brand new roof, brand new drip edge. We're gonna change out the fascias and the soffits going around. All right, if you see, you got a lot of window ACs. You got window AC here. You got window AC over there. You got a window AC here. Okay, we're gonna be taking those window AC. This is an old, like a motel window AC right here. We're gonna take all of that out. My lead project manager, he's gonna be coming in. He's gonna fill them all them holes. Because when you take that AC out of there, you gotta fill in that hole. So he's gonna have to frame that up, fill that hole in, so that way when the stucco guy comes, the stucco guy can make this stucco look just beautiful. All the windows in here, these windows are not what you call double pane, energy efficient. So we're gonna change out all the windows. All windows will be brand spanking new. All right, and that also gives you a good security when you got all brand new windows. Once again, we got the lot back here for the new duplex that we're gonna be building after we get this duplex up and rented. Once this duplex is occupied, it's not a liability anymore and it's an asset. We're gonna start on the new duplex right back here. Now, one half of Radford Homes, LLC.